Oh boy. Things have escalated. Probably not gonna see this. Oh, it's not bad. Here's my patch pan. Just fit it in there for now. I gotta clean this up. And then get rid of the lightning. So anybody restoring Chevelles, me? This is a patch pan that I got. This is the whole driver's side trunk pan. You can go in the sections: driver's side, center, and passenger side. And oh, worry, it's the kid's truck. That hood's tacoed anyway. So got that section cut out. Cut the spot welds. That was a pain in the ass. And then got the new section cut and gonna prep it. Well, got that section prepped. Got to clean the trunk, prep that, and then send some lightning through it. Melt some metal, and we'll have the trunk pan done. See it, and then I gotta paint it, and mainly the underneath, because then we gotta get this guy in, and then we can move it over to its resting place for the winter, which is over there. So it's a long road.